Hi there, this is Nick at Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC right here in Whitewater, Wisconsin. Back today with another how-to video. Today we're going to be talking about what happens if your key fob is dead. The battery inside goes dead and your car is locked and you cannot get inside. So I'm going to go over what we need to do in order to get into your vehicle and get you started and get a new battery put in. First thing you want to do is take a look at your key fob. You're going to look for a chrome tab button right here on the side of your key fob. So what we're going to do is push that button in and get the second key out here. So let me try to do this with one hand. So we get the key out. So this key will unlock the door in here. So I'll show you how we do that. So if you take a look at your door, right underneath, a little hard to see with the lighting that I have, there is a slot right in there. And what this slot allows us to do is take our key and gently, without scratching your paint or anything, taking a little pry here, popping that out like such. And then what we want to do, I don't want to rotate it too much here, go ahead and open up the door, finagle the cap right out of there. So now we can take our key, put our key in here, and we are going to unlock the vehicle just like such. We'll go ahead and shut off the alarm here. So now that we've done that, and well, now we've gotten into the vehicle, I should say. We've gotten in the vehicle and we need to start it still. So what we want to do is put the key fob transmitter, or the key fob closest to the transmitter inside the vehicle. And how we're going to do that is by either in any storage compartment right up here, or the cup holders is going to be the closest to the transmitter. So we're going to go ahead, put that right in there. That way it's closest to it, and hopefully we can get one last jump out of it. And then we're going to try to start the vehicle and it'll start up. Also, keep an eye out on your center DIC screen here. It's going to notify you when one of your key fob batteries is going dead. So as soon as you get in the vehicle and turn it on, if it's going low, you should see it right here up on that screen. And come in to Burton's here in Whitewater and see one of us, and we'll get you sorted out and get you a new battery in there. Super easy. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next Friday.